Hello there, Hallmark here, and with a new camera. So pretty cool, I'm excited about that. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna take you around and show you these really cool radishes. And these things are gonna blow your mind. Now there are a couple things that have made it through the huge ice storm we had. Collard greens, these radishes I'm gonna show you, and this scarlet kale. But I wanted to do like a little crop focus here on these radishes. Look at these humongous radishes. Look at that. Is that not big? And this is a small one. Wow. So these are called, they're from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and they're called Giant of Italy radishes or something like that. I've got the seed pack in there. I'll show you in a minute. But these guys are huge. I've got a small bunch that Rosalind just picked. Let me show you. I don't know if you can tell. Wow. Golly. Maybe the camera's not doing them justice, but these things are the size of ping pong balls. Which, you know, the Easter egg radishes that I've grew, usually they're pretty good when they're pretty small, you know. They get just a good little ball size and they're good. Watermelon radishes can usually get pretty big, but these guys are pretty huge. Let me show you this seed pack so you can kind of see what we're working with. All right, here we go, guys. Giant of Sicily radishes from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. It says on here, a Sicilian heirloom, large 2-inch round. Summer radishes are bright red with great taste and good quality. Pure Italian seed. And I will tell you, the seed pack does not lie. They're very tasty and very sweet. They had no spiciness at all. Now, granted, the ice storm probably, you know, snapped them really good with that cold weather. And when plants go through that, a lot of plants like lettuces and brassicas, radishes, different ones, the cold temperature, the plant kind of takes over and it wants to take up sugar into itself. So it sucks up sugars from the soil and different things to help it survive, because the sugars and the other carbohydrates that are down into the root mass there actually act as antifreeze and help it to remain in the cool weather. So the sweeter vegetables are is if they get a little blast of cold. So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, these radishes are super sweet, not a single spicy note. Because usually you'll taste a radish, it'll be sweet, but then you'll get that little burn in the back of your mouth a little bit, which is good. It's not a bad thing. But these didn't have any of that. It was just pure, good radish flavor. They weren't pithy. They weren't woody. They were just fantastic white flesh radishes with the red skin. Beautiful. Absolutely. Probably the best I've grown. Now, I will say I'm going to grow these Giant of Sicily radishes alongside my Easter egg radishes, and I'm going to do a few other fun ones because they do sell really good at the farmer's market. You know, they grow fast. Within, I don't know, 30 or 40 days, you can get radishes really good. Some even less than that. They're colorful. They're fun to look at. You can bundle them up and they look really pretty. The radish greens are even, you know, edible. You can use those. And they sell really good. Usually what I'll do is I'll bundle them together, probably 5, 6, 7 radishes in a bundle, and sell it for like $1. You know, you go to the grocery store and you get a bag for $1 or $1.99, and it's like, you know, 10, 15. But, you know, I try to represent value at the farmer's markets. Yeah, I'll do 5, 6, 7 beautiful radishes, a nice little bunch for $1. And they sell, and I sell so many of them, and people love them. So pretty encouraging. But Giant of Sicily, wow. It sounds like my neighbor's chopping down a tree or something. I don't know, which is cool. But, so I'm not going to make a huge long video because of all that noise. But just wanted to give you guys a glimpse. You know, sometimes you'll be flipping through the seed catalogs. You'll be looking at the websites. You'll be thinking like, is this really good? I mean, obviously, every seed pack description is going to say, ooh, this is sweet and this is wonderful and everything's great. But is it really? Well, the Giant of Sicily radishes, you can count on them. They will last through an ice storm. They'll last through cold weather, and they even get sweeter. They're humongous, and they taste great. And I'm excited to see as we get into spring and even on into summer, how long they stay sweet. And I'm going to kind of keep you guys updated on that. So if you hadn't already, hit subscribe so you can keep up with that. And make sure you smash that like button for me. It really helps. And guys, I'm going to go through these crops as they grow, and I'm going to actually give you guys reviews of these crops that I'm growing so that you can actually look on YouTube and say, hey, this guy grew these radishes, they were good, so I can order them and not have to worry about wasting your money on seeds that aren't really that good. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day and happy growing.